Hey, Knights folks, this is Brian. Hegney, I was having so much fun. I hope you're having as much fun as I am with Unreal Engine, all of you, and this cool game that you guys are making. Can't wait to see all of the other models integrated into it. Look at this! Alex, look at this! Chance, sorry. Chance, look at this! This is the code that used to be that stuff that we did. And if you zoom in here, now, I still have a couple things that I can delete, like this final tile thing. Well, that used to be what I was trying to work on to change the material. Now that's all set up in this function, set material. So I'm going to come back into set YSpacing. And again, this is the beauty of these little functions, is that I don't need to find that material anymore, or that object. Am I still having... Oh, okay, I don't have too much going on here. So, but now that I know that I don't need the final tile in this one, I can actually X that out. Yay. And save that and compile it. And now when I look at that set Y spacing, yay, I don't have that weird button there. So there's that going on. And now that we do this, let me actually set this here, set this there. What I also did to make things really easy on me is I set my grid movement snap sizes to 100. And in that way, when I move an object, it's snapping it in terms of 100 units. So if I need to move it to the right block, it's just 1, 2, 3 snaps. And it's really easy to keep track of. So now I'm going to play it, and look at that. Those little things are blinking, and I can click it, and it's like it's working pretty well. I'm going to come back and show you what I did with the gate now. So with the gate, if I click on this, it's not going to give me anything going past this gate, because that is in my tile stuff, in the spacings here, these checkers are actually checking to see, hey, is it doing a gate? And I could probably even truncate this to just gate so that this will work with any gate. Like, I don't need the word triangle there. I could do that in my set Y spacing as well. Just set that to gate. And that's the element name or object name. I think that should still work. Yeah, it still works. And the beauty is, okay, now what if this has a name with gate too? Okay, now that I set that to just work with any gate, oops, let's do this. Oh, okay. Oh, I know why I didn't. Ha ha ha. The reason why I didn't go with that gate is because what I want to do is I need to take this blueprint that's BP triangle gate, right click, duplicate it, and I'm going to call it BP square gate. And I'm going to come into here, into the gate, and actually change its material to switch gate square material. Yep. The other thing I'm going to do is really make sure that that's one. I want to make sure that that is the same. Now I have to switch the, there we go. There we go. I think it was something like that. I wanted to make sure it was the same size as all of the other ones. Now when I do this, play, I'm going to try to make it over there again. Oh, okay, it's still... Oh, I know why! Ha ha ha! Funny. I didn't ever replace it. So I've got this gate here. I'm going to delete that from my scene, and I'm going to instead add this one. And this should be set to exactly this location. So that's 50, -1450. 50, -1450. And of course, the distance is 40 in the Y direction. And I need to rotate it. So I'm going to tap E, and I'm going to, it should be 90 degrees. There we go. Alright, so now when I play, yay, it doesn't go there, right? So now most of the gates are functioning, and I actually really have to get to that. There we go. Click on that. Okay. So what we did here, now the cool thing is that I wanted to show you, is that once I raise this gate here, see, it does work. It just makes sure that if there's a gate, it won't be able to function. So I personally did this in, I probably spent, geez, the videos, I think I have about an hour and a half. Is that right? I probably spent about 4 or 5 hours on this. And I was doing all of the heavy lifting, I think. So I think I hopefully gave you a lot to work with. Here's the test. The test is, will this work in my phone? So I'm going to let you listen to me playing this, because the question is this going to be as fast? Is this going to be super fast? And I've got my phone here. I'm hooking it up. The device, what does it say? Stopped responding. You're disconnected. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to delete the current version I have. All right. Awesome. So now that I have my Android phone plugged in, it's really a matter of clicking this launch drop down and saying, this is the name of my Android device, LMQ. Or at least that's what it recognizes it as. So I'm going to click that. Yes, I have to save selected. Ooh, this is so exciting. I'm going to pause it. Oh my god! It's working! Oops, I was doing other things, by the way. Yeah, it's still running nice. Oh my gosh, this is so fast on my mobile phone. Oh my god, I wish you could see it. It is just as fast as it is on the computer. Now here is the problem. The problem is the size is a little wonky, but you know what? That might not matter, because there's very few times when... Oh, no, someone might have really big fingers. I think we need to beef up the size of this, the scale of everything. Oh my god, this is so freaking cool! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, this is so awesome. I wish you could see this. I mean, I could take a screenshot of my phone, but it looks exactly like what you see. If I gave you the screenshot, it would look just like what you see. Anyway, oh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I'm gonna give you... I'm gonna condense... Cancel. Stop it, stop it, stop it. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna zip it up, and I'm gonna put it on the OneDrive for you guys. And I'm gonna share it with your group. And just check it out. This is so much faster. It is now so much simpler to edit the game. And in fact... Oops, launch canceled. Yes, I know. It's going to be so much easier to make these levels now. Now that you have it, now you can make 100 levels in a week. You know, they won't be good levels, but you know, you could give this to everybody, and everyone can make their own level. Of course, we're not yet. Okay, we're not quite there with the other board. The other board still has to have the same thing. This tile, actually, now that you've done tile 0, and have, if you do this, right, if you do what I did, again, it's going to take some time, but I think I've worked out all of the problems for you. And it is so fast on my phone now. It is wonderful. I don't have to actually delete anything, because I'm not actually making instances anymore. I used to be when I tried to fix it before break. So this is like the third rendition that I've done personally on this. And with each time it gets a little better. I think that's something you need to learn with game design, is like, if you've never done something before, you're gonna screw it up. You're gonna do it poorly the first time. Okay. Wow. So happy. I wish this were my project. I'm actually kind of bummed that this is not my project. So, you better make a freaking great game. This has got to be finished and published on the App Store, or at least on Google Play, because this is just fun, and I can't wait to like go back and forth between stuff. Okay. All right, that's it. Bye, bye, bye.